Reading nonfiction. Master the art of making predictions. Hello, eager learners. In today's video, we will tackle an important aspect of reading nonfiction texts: making predictions. Making predictions while reading can significantly enhance your comprehension and engagement with the text. So, let's dive right in. When we talk about making predictions in reading, it means anticipating what might happen next in the text based on what you have read so far. It's like being a detective, using clues from the text and your own knowledge to forecast the content. This process keeps your mind actively engaged, making reading a more interactive and rewarding experience. Making predictions not only improves your understanding but also increases your reading speed. As you make and check your predictions, you enhance your ability to grasp ideas quickly. Furthermore, this strategy helps you to focus on the most relevant parts of the text and improves your recall ability. Now that we know what making predictions means and why it's important, let's learn how to make effective predictions. 1. Title and headings. Look at these first. They often provide a preview of the text's content. 2. First few sentences. The opening lines can set the tone and hint at what's to come. 3. Images and graphs. These can offer additional clues about the topic. 4. Prior knowledge. Use what you already know about the topic to anticipate content. Remember, a prediction is an educated guess, not a random one. You may not always be correct, and that's okay. The aim is to engage with the text, not predict with 100% accuracy. The more you practice, the better you get at making predictions. Here's a tip. When reading a nonfiction text, pause after each paragraph or section and make a prediction about what will come next. Then, read on to see if you were right or close. This will not only make your reading more engaging but also help in solidifying the information. And that wraps up our lesson on making predictions while reading nonfiction texts. We hope this strategy will help you read more efficiently and enjoyably. Remember, the goal is not to always predict correctly, but to stay actively engaged with the text. Keep practicing, and you'll see improvements in your reading skills. Happy reading!